Italian cuisine is one of the most beloved in the world, known for its simplicity, high-quality ingredients, and rich culinary traditions. Rooted in regional diversity, Italian food emphasizes fresh produce, olive oil, herbs, cheese, and cured meats. Pasta, bread, and rice are staples, often paired with flavorful sauces made from tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Italian cuisine balances rich flavors with fresh, light elements, making it both comforting and refined. Here are 10 of the most popular Italian dishes. 1. Pizza Margherita, a classic Neapolitan pizza with a thin crust, tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, basil, and olive oil. 2. Pasta Carbonara, spaghetti tossed in a creamy sauce made with eggs, pecorino romano cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. 3. Lasagna, layered pasta sheets with meat sauce, bechamel, and melted cheese, baked until golden. 4. Risotto, a creamy rice dish cooked with broth, often featuring seafood, mushrooms, or saffron. 5. Tiramisu, a coffee-flavored dessert made with layers of mascarpone cheese, espresso-soaked lady fingers, and cocoa. 6. Osso buco, slow-cooked veal shanks in a rich tomato and wine sauce, often served with gremolata. 7. Bruschetta, grilled bread topped with garlic, tomatoes, olive oil, and basil. 8. Minestrone, a hearty vegetable soup with beans, pasta, and a tomato-based broth. 9. Arancini, deep-fried rice balls stuffed with cheese, meat, or vegetables. 10. Gnocchi, soft potato dumplings served with a variety of sauces, such as pesto or tomato. Italian cuisine's combination of simplicity, tradition, and high-quality ingredients makes it a favorite worldwide.